Hello friends, I'm back with another video and today I will talk about a new puzzle, the chips exchange puzzle. It is based on invariance principle. If you haven't watched my previous video on the basics of invariance principle, you can, and the link is in the description and you can go and watch it. So I'll tell you the problem statement and the solution. Um, so let's begin. So this is the problem statement. Um, so you are given initially 13 white, 15 black, and 17 red colored chips. Uh, and this is the step or the operation that you are allowed to perform on these chips. The step is that you can choose any two chips of different color and replace each one by a chip of the third color. So this step you can perform again and again on these chips, and you have to tell that can you make all the chips of the same color. So basically, can you make all 45 chips of white, or all of them of black, or all of them of red color. So let's so I'll show you with a diagram that will be more easy for you to understand. So we have 13 white colored chips, 15 black, and so 17 red, and you can choose any two chips of different color. So maybe you can choose a red and a black, and you can replace them with white, and you can just place them back in the stack. So the new stack will become, earlier it was 13, 15 and 17. Now it will become 15 of white, 14 of black, and 16 of red. So black and red have been reduced by 1, whereas white has been increased by 2. So the question is, can you make all 45 chips of the same color? So that's the question that you need to find the answer of it. So you can think for a while before proceeding. Maybe you can pause the video. Um, so let's move on to the solution. Um so the solution is that it is, as I told you, that it is based on the invariance principle. So suppose initially you had white, black, and red colored chips of 13, 15, and 17 quantity. So suppose you choose black and red, so the new quantities will become 15, 14, and 16. And then suppose in the next step you choose white and suppose black, so the new quantity will become 14, 13, and 18. And suppose in the next step you choose again choose black and red, so the new quantities will become 16, 12, and 17. So the invariance principle says that there are certain properties in order to solve. You need to find certain properties of the current situation, or the current state of these chips, which are invariant, and you need to see where you want to reach, and you need to compare the invariant properties of these two states: the initial state where you are currently at, and the final state where you want to reach. So so the invariance condition, which is that a minus b mod 3, b minus c mod 3, and c minus a mod 3. So if you will do this operation at each step, you will find that its value is 1 1 1, and similarly for next steps it's again 1 1 1 1, and so on. So 13 minus 15 is minus 2 minus mod 3 is 1. Similarly 15 minus 17 is minus 2, and minus 2 mod 3 is 1, and again 17 minus 13 is 4 mod 3 is again 1. So we can see that these three values of a mod operation that we are doing is invariant. And so the question is that how can we find these this equation a minus b mod 3, b minus c mod 3, and c minus a mod 3. So I would say that, I mean, that comes with the experience and observation. You need to like practice a lot in order to uh, get these equations, and it's not that difficult. I mean, it will come with time. So yeah, so this is the initial condition. So we can see that the mod values are all 1, and now let us see where we actually want to reach, that is the desired final state. So desired final state is it can be 4500, or it can be 0450, or 0045, and in all these three final states that may result in the right answer, the mod values of all of them are 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 0 0 0. So these values are like invariant values, and yeah, so the initial state has all ones, and the final state that we want to reach is all 0. So we can see that the invariant values of the initial state is not equal to the invariant values of final state, and because these are invariant values, they will never change, and so we can never reach a state where all 45 chips are of the same color. So yeah, hope you like the solution and the question, and thanks for watching.